The city's hosiery sector is one of the oldest clusters in the country, having a long history of textile manufacturing. Madhur Knit Crafts Limited is a renowned name in the Indian textile and fashion industry, celebrated for its commitment to quality, innovation, and speed in production. Operating from a sprawling 10-acre facility in Ludhiana, Punjab, with the directors having the experience of almost 40 years in textiles. Knitting, fully automated, state-of-the-art machinery sourced worldwide from leading manufacturers in Europe, Korea, China, Taiwan, Japan, and Germany, with a daily fabric processing capacity of 45 tons. Printing, Madhur Knit Crafts Limited features highly efficient printing machines, including an industrial automatic flatbed printer for high precision mink blanket designs and multi-color rotary printing for high definition and complex knitted fabrics. Dyeing, the facility ensures high efficiency with a dyeing unit handling 25 tons per day of all kinds of knitted fabrics in polyester, polycotton, and cotton. Tumbling and washing, high efficient tumbling process ensuring softness and absorbency properties in fabric. Adding to it is washing, which ensures fabrics are free of all the extra chemicals, making the fabric azo-free. Finishing processes, multifunctional machines used for stretching, heat setting, drying, and applying chemical treatments to fabrics, enhancing durability and consistency. Outfitted with raising, brushing, polycut, shearing, polishing, and sueding machines for superior finishing, with the capacity of processing almost 45 tons per day. Bonding and lamination, fabric bonding seamlessly joins layers without stitching, ensuring durability, strength, and a smooth finish for high-quality textiles. Quality check. We conduct thorough quality checks on every product before delivery, ensuring durability, precision, and excellence. Our commitment to quality builds trust and long-term relationships with our customers. Each of our products is innovated through meticulous research and strategic planning, ensuring quality, efficiency, and sustainability in every solution. Highly skilled technicians and professional team ensures each product is made and delivered with proper checking, ensuring customer satisfaction. Dedicated team of individuals is assigned which prepares detailed reports by analyzing collected data, tracking performance, and providing insights for strategic decisions, ensuring transparency and efficiency in operations. Empowering women in the textile industry, we foster innovation, sustainability, and growth, creating opportunities for a brighter, inclusive future. Our effluent water solutions enhance efficiency and environmental responsibility for a better future, with the capacity to treat 8 lakh liters of water per day. We create fabrics tailored to client specifications, including woolen, fleece, mink, and anti-pilling fabrics for various industrial applications. Madhur Knit Crafts Limited strives to be a global textile leader, delivering innovative, high-quality, and sustainable fabrics with cutting-edge technology and commitment to community and environment. Madhur Knit Crafts Limited. Trust is success.